Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week, ending February 10th, the major indexes were lower as the S&P fell for the first time in 3 weeks and Nasdaq in 6 weeks as inflation fears reappeared. U.S. exports of goods and services continued to weaken at the end of last year, while imports of goods and services increased. Initial jobless claims increased by 13,000 to 196,000 for the week ending February 4th. And the preliminary survey of consumer sentiment from the University of Michigan was stronger than expected, increasing to 66.4 from 64.9 in January. However, the year-ahead inflation expectations index increased to 4.2% in February compared to 3.9% in January. Year to date, the Dow is up 2.2%, the S&P up 6.5%, and the Nasdaq is up 12%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.74%. Oil closed at $79.79 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,858.50 an ounce, with silver closing at $21.99 an ounce. For this week of February 13th, Monday we'll get the New York Fed's 1 and 5 year inflation expectations. On Tuesday, the NFIB Small Business Index, the Consumer Price Index or CPI, and Core CPI will be reported. The Consumer Price Index or CPI measures the monthly change in prices paid by U.S. consumers for goods and services. Core CPI excludes food and energy. Wednesday, we'll get retail sales, the Industrial Production Index, business inventories, the Empire State Manufacturing Index, and the NAHB Home Builders Index. A busy Wednesday. Thursday, initial jobless claims, building permits, housing starts, real household debt, and the Producer Price Index will be reported. And on Friday, the Import Price Index and the Index of Leading Economic Indicators all will be reported. A few examples of leading economic indicators are GDP, the Consumer Price Index, and interest rates. And as always, keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you want in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.